Hello and welcome to Three Guys English. I'm Simon and today we're going to continue our series on the perfect tenses. In part 1, we looked at a general overview of the perfect tenses. Then in part 2, we covered the difference between for and since. In today's video, we're going to look at the difference between ever, never, yet, and already. But before we begin, don't forget to support the channel by liking and subscribing. With that over, let's get started.
In previous videos, we've already looked at what the perfect tense is, and that's to talk about an action that started in the past that is still continuing now. Remember that we do need to use the past participle. So that's the third verb in this list. See, saw, seen. You do have to have an understanding of these past participles. So please review that. In today's video, we're going to look at ever, never, yet, and already. Ever is used in a question only. For example, have you ever been to Brazil? We wouldn't use it in a positive sentence. I have ever been to Brazil. Never is used for negative sentences. They have never been there. We would never use never in a question. Next, yet is used to ask if an action is completed. Have you finished your work yet? We can also use yet in a negative sentence. I haven't finished yet. But we wouldn't use yet in a positive sentence. Instead, we use already. Again, already is used to express an action is completed. I have already finished my work. Let's look at some examples to make this clear. The first question is, have you ever been to America? And remember, we use ever in a question only. So the answer would be, yes, I have been to America. We wouldn't put ever in a positive sentence. Yes, I have ever been to America. It's not correct. You can also put the negative as well, which would be, no, I haven't been to America. Let's look at the next one. Have you ever seen that film? And the answer could be, yes, I have seen that film. Remember, ever is not used in a positive sentence. The negative sentence could be, no, I haven't seen this film, or no, I have never seen that film. No, I haven't seen or no, I have never seen are exactly the same. There's no change. You can choose the one you like to use the most. Here's the next one. Have you finished work yet? Remember, we use yet to ask if an action is completed or will be completed soon. The answer would be, yes, I have finished work. We don't use yet in a positive answer for this question. We will just say, yes, I have finished work. If it's a negative sentence, yes, you can use yet. No, I haven't finished work yet. Or you could say simply, not yet. Okay, here is the last example. Has she eaten lunch yet? Again, using yet to see if the action is completed. The example answer could be, yes, she's already eaten lunch. We can say as well, no, she hasn't eaten lunch yet. Remember, we wouldn't put already in this sentence because it's only used for a positive sentence. So yet for negative. No, she hasn't eaten lunch yet. Or we can simply say again, not yet. So just remember for this lesson, everyone, ever is used for questions. Never is used for negative sentences. Yet is used to ask if an action is completed, also in the negative answer. And finally, already is used to see if an action is completed, but only for a positive action.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to check out more videos from us here at Three Guys English. See you next time.